Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since my last tutorial video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own brush in Affinity Photo and how to export and import your brushes so you can share it with your friends as well. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. First, create a new canvas. And then on the right side you will see this brushes panel. Click on it and click this little button here. So you will see these options here. First, let's create a new category. It's name brushes by default, but you can rename it or delete it as well. I will show you how to import and export later. So if you want to add a new brush, we have 4 options here: new intensity, round, square, and image brush. So this is round brush, and this is square brush, and new image brush is if you want to turn your picture into brush, you can do it by clicking this new image brush, but you cannot change the color. Okay, so let me show you an example. Let's say that I want to make this door into brush. So first I will remove the background. And then let's export to PNG, but make sure the background is blank. Click export. Okay, now let's add the door by clicking new image brush and choose the file. Yeah, now you can use it, but like I said, you cannot change the color. Let's say that I want to make a door on this wall. I just have to choose this brush and click on it on the wall to make a door. Like this. Okay. Next, new intensity brush is if you want to make a custom pattern shape brush like lightning, grass, tree, shoelace, or flower shape brush, you can do it by clicking this new intensity brush. Okay, so let's make something simple. Let's draw grass. And just like before, export it to PNG and make sure the background is blank. I will make another shape. Then click new intensity brush and choose the file. Okay, now you can use it. but this is just one texture, so you can add another texture. Go to right click on the brush and click edit brush, or you can click more right here and go to texture, click add. You can add and remove it. Okay, then I will adjust some settings. I will make it looks random. Okay, now it's done. Let's make another shape. I will make a flower. And then, just like before, new intensity brush, choose the file, let's add another texture. So we have two texture now. Okay, so next, if you want to export your brushes, click export brushes and then click save. So it will export your whole brushes in this category. Okay, and if you want to import, just click import and then click the file, brushes file, brushes 2. So this is brushes that I just imported. Okay, so I will add a few more brushes and hopefully I can get it done by next week and I will share it with you guys. Okay, so that's it from me today. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.